it's kind of a bummer, right, that we're building this building and you're not going to be able to use it, and that it's a mess your senior year, right? So none of that is lost on us, but we want to thank you for how you've kind of handled all of that. And one of the ways that we want to say thank you for that is we want you to put your name in the building. So we're going to ask you to sign the beam. We're seeing a lot of graduates starting to bring their kids back here to school. Imagine that. Maybe one day your kids will be here and enjoy this building. Maybe you'll work here. Who knows? But we want you to be remembered in this building. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to sign the beam.